Adverbs of degree. Modifying an adverb or adjective. You can use an adverb of degree before an adjective. It's a very good idea. I get so angry when I'm under pressure. Yeah, I think, but I'm not absolutely sure. It's getting a bit cold in here. Before adverb. You can also use an adverb of degree before another adverb. Examples. You could improve your accuracy quite easily. I'll have to report to my superior fairly soon. I hardly ever see Chandler nowadays. Comparative and superlative. Some adverbs of degree can be used before a comparative adjective or adverb. Examples. This tool makes the process much easier. Our pay rise is so small that we're no better off. You can use a bit, a little, a lot, any, much, no, rather, slightly, somewhat, very much. Superlative and its example. With a superlative, you can use easily or by far. This is easily the most popular brand. We offer by far the best prices, or we offer the best prices by far. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more daily lessons and contents, and also please hit that like button. You can use an adverb of degree to modify a verb. Do you really want to go there? We were rather hoping to have a test. Note, in mid-position you can use absolutely, almost, completely, hardly, just, nearly, quite, rather, really, scarcely, slightly, totally. Note, we often use an adverb of degree before a passive participle. He was badly damaged in the accident. Almost, just, really, and nearly go before a negative auxiliary. I just don't see what the problem is. Absolutely, completely, rather, and totally can go in either end position or mid position. I absolutely agree. I agree absolutely. I completely forgot. I forgot completely. A bit, a little, a lot, awfully, more, the most, somewhat, and terribly go only in end position. It matters a lot. I miss her terribly. You can use much or very much in a negative sentence and use very much only in positive sentences. I didn't enjoy the music much. I didn't enjoy the music very much. I enjoyed the music very much. Some adverbs of degree can modify a preposition. The buildings are right in the center of the town. I walked straight into a stop sign. Modifying a quantifier. You can use these combinations of adverb and quantifier. Very, so, to, plus, many, much, few, little. Such, rather, quite, plus, a lot or a lot of. Quite, plus, a few, or a bit, or a bit of. Almost, nearly, plus, all, every, hardly any. A lot, much, a bit, a little, any, no, plus, more, less. Alright guys, that's it for today's lesson. Remember to like and to subscribe for daily lessons and contents. These are also my prior contents that you can watch. See you with another video tomorrow.